Hello guys, welcome back to my another video, and today is the day 8 of my daily coding vlogs. And without further any waste of time, let's get into today's topic, which is handling multiple arrays. As I said earlier, there is not a much difference between arrays and strings. So if I by mistake said arrays instead of strings, do not freak out. So first of all, you can create a 2D array of characters, which is very useful. Suppose you have a code which will only allow a certain amount, certain persons to enter it. So first, the code will ask what's your name, and if the name matches with the name written in the string or 2D array, then it will let you in. This is one of the use cases, and after you can use a array of pointers to get the string. Suppose you have someone's name and you want to exchange the surname and the first name. So how will you do it? Well, if you go by authentical strings, then you have to first change the first letters, then second letters, exchange. But instead of doing this much, what you can do is you can get their base address, then you can use that base address as an array and change the array's address. So now you can do pretty much simply what you have to do complicated if it was an array. So now I'm starting to get that why strings are important. No, sorry. Why pointers are important, because it makes things so much easier. Of course, array of pointers also have their limits. So we have to like memory allocation. You have to be really smart while doing this, because there's a pretty high chance that you can mess up this part. And yep, today's that's it, because strings and arrays are mostly one topic, and how much can I tell you guys about in detail? There is also one thing, that strings and arrays are used everywhere, like in web development, app development, because they can store characters, confirmations. So it's a pretty useful thing. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. It was a pretty short, like always, because I am not teaching someone how to do about Sarah. I am just giving example and what type of problems you can face. So that's it for today. See you next day. And sorry for this late upload, because in my area there is a problem of Wi-Fi, so it sometime goes. So because of which I cannot edit the video, because I am using Microsoft's Climp editors and they require network. So that's it for today. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.